Alright, first you have to be a Nerf gun warrior. You need a fanny pack or a backpack with ammo in it, of course. So put that on. That. Boom. I got some ammo in here. And a miniature gun. Boom. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Next you need is a awesome gun. Keep back. Or I'll shoot. I'll shoot anyway. And you need optional an awesome vest or some camo gear. Or a camo shirt or something. Because if you're in a Nerf gun battle, you're going to be wanting to have some awesome camouflage here. So, yeah. If you add that all together, you are a Nerf gun warrior. Nerf or nothing.